Welcome to another tutorial. In this video we will learn how to make a nut using SolidWorks. So start new drawing, file, new and click the part. First we will go to sketch window, click on sketch and use the front plane. Click on polygon, dry polygon. Check the units to millimeters, then enter the sketch. Now a polygon, now click on smart dimensions, click here and here and give this a dimension of 15 millimeter. Hit OK. After giving dimensions, we come to features, extrude workplace. Here we will choose the mid plane and total 9 mm and click OK. Here we will choose the front face, click on sketch and draw a circle. Now click OK. Select the circle and the edge and make it tangent. Now come to features and extruded cut. Here we will choose the flip side to cut and we will give the chamfer 45-degree angle. Now click degree and click OK. So the front face is ready. Now we will mirror this face on this side. Here we will go to mirror command and we mirror the face plane. So we will come to part, choose the front plane. Now you can see the preview, hit OK. So board's head is created. Yes. Now click on this face and sketch. You will draw another circle and come to smart dimensions. We will give this dimension up to 9 millimeter. Click OK. Click OK and come to features and extrude workspace. Here I will give 20 millimeter dimensions. Click OK. Now I will chamfer this. We will use chamfer tool. We will select this edge and I will give 45-degree angle and 0.5 mm radius of the chamfer and click OK. So chamfer to the edge is chamfered. Now I will come to hole wizard. Use the thread command. Now here I will choose the edge where I have to start the thread, and now in any conditions I will select this face. I will also make it offset in the opposite direction up to 2 millimeter, so 3 millimeter, and I will also offset this to 1 mm in the opposite direction. So I will use the hinge die and 9 mm number 440 9 mm dia, and I will change the thread 1 millimeter gap and click OK. So thread is formed. Now I will come to appearances, right click on this, appearance and part. Here I will use metal and steel and brushed steel. Click OK. So here I made a nut using simple commands in the SolidWorks.